Xiaomi released the latest premium device, which is the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. It is the best smartphone with the largest camera in the world right now. But the ugly news is, the Xiaomi 12s Ultra will be available in the global market, which means that Xiaomi won't sell this device to anyone outside of China. Aside of that, for you to know more details about this device and without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Hey guys, it's Shamefully here. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. Firstly, let's start off with the design. The Xiaomi 12s Ultra comes with a glass front and aluminum frame, and also it comes with an eco leather back that gives it a matte finish. The Xiaomi 12 Ultra comes with a large camera module that contains triple camera sensors on the rear. Yeah, they are all part of the design, but let's quickly move to the display. On the display, it features a 6.7-inch LTPO2 AMOLED panel, 120 Hz of refresh rate, a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels with a peak brightness of 1500 nits. It also comes with a Sony Gorilla Glass Victor screen protection for its display. Powering the Xiaomi 12s Ultra is the Qualcomm SM8475, which is the code name for the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So it is a 4nm built on process chip, and also it comes with an octa-core processor and Adreno 730 GPU that gives you intense graphic performance, alongside with 120 Hz of refresh rate for better and smooth results while scrolling on apps and doing other stuffs. This device comes with an internal memory storage of 8GB or 12GB of RAM plus 256GB of ROM, though the memory storage depends on the variant you get. Now let's talk about the best feature of this device. So the best feature of this device is the camera, and it is the major selling point of the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. Xiaomi 12s Ultra comes with a huge camera module that contains triple camera sensors, which are 50MP 1-inch SONY sensor, 48MP ultra-wide lens, and 48MP 5x optical zoom telephoto. So the main camera sensor and the telephoto got an OIS for optical image stabilization. Xiaomi actually partnered with Leica for professional optical lens, and that's a great job. Furthermore, the main camera sensor isn't in the middle, but by the left side of the ultra-wide lens. That means the main camera sensor is spotted at the left side in the camera module. You can see it yourself in the video. So the cameras are able to shoot videos in 8K or 4K at 30 frames per second. On the front, you're having a selfie camera of 32MP. Xiaomi 12s Ultra comes with a under-display fingerprint scanner. The device has a 4860mAh battery that supports 67W fast charging, and also it runs on Android 12 based on MIUI 13 launcher. So guys, here comes to the end of my video for the Xiaomi Mi 12s Ultra. Please consider subscribing to this channel and also turn on that notification bell aside of it to always get notified whenever I drop a new content on this channel. Thank you guys, and see you on my next video.